Hi everyone, I'm Yulena. I'm the brand manager of Zhanyi. We are always committed to provide excellent texture material. Today, I'm going to introduce our eco-friendly products to you. Since February 2020, COVID-19 has changed our lives. We have lost but also gained something from it. The human race finally started to treasure what we have on Mother Earth. Furthermore, Earth can breathe again because of the decreasing air pollution and emission of the greenhouse gas. It made us rethink how we can maintain the rehabilitated Earth in the future. As part of the global community, what can the textile industry to contribute to this effort? According to 2021 Textile Yearship of Institute of TTRI, we have given three major trends in the future. Contains consensus on circular economy, development of smart textiles, and medical textiles. First, the circular economy. In product development, everyone focuses on using environmentally friendly materials, recycling textile materials, and remanufacturing, reducing carbon footprint. Second, the development of smart textiles, including software integrate, accessories, and smart textile engineering. Third, the importance and the demand for medical textiles have increased. Because of the sudden pandemic, products such as masks, protective clothes have become necessary. Therefore, antibacterial, antifibers, and medical functional fibers have received high attention. Our company has always been aiming at sustainable development, hoping to do our part for the Earth. So we put a lot of effort in researching and developing environmental friendly raw materials and production technology. Later, I will introduce our company's environmental protection materials and medical textiles to use. First of all, I will introduce to you the raw material side, starting with three non-woven fabric with different functions. Integrated to the natural materials, we have developed our version of natural silk, all-wind. Adding natural silk extract containing collagens and amino acids can effectively enhance the moisturizing and the anti-static functionalities and water storage rate. In addition, it imparts non-woven hydrophilicity, softness, and comfortable competitiveness. Now please take a look at the bar chart on the right. Compared to the general non-woven fabric, the moisture retention of all-wind is 206 higher. It's suitable for use as an inner layer of a mask in a dry environment. Next, I will talk about our medical textile. Our company has developed antibacterial and water repellent nonwoven fabric with an antibacterial rate of 99.9% as certified by SGS. The antibacterial taste of AAT-CC100 mainly focus on the ability to guard against pneumonia bacillus and E. coli. This material is suitable for the outer layer coat of general flat of 3D mask. The weight specification of the cloth is 30 GSM and 40 GSM, and the weight can be customized. The third item on our agenda is the non-woven fabric with a coat feel of natural materials. Nowadays, the masks on the market are not only associated with their efficacy, but also with their feels and comforts of the mask when worn on the face. The new mask is made of cool non-woven fabric, which not only allows the skin to feel more breathable and comfortable, but also allow better absorption of the essential substance into the body at the optimal temperature. Through a dynamic thermal imaging test, we can clearly see the fabric effectively cool down the skin by minus 2.3 degrees when compared to the general ones in the market. In addition to the functional non-woven material mentioned above, we have developed and be selling 3D washable antibacterial masks. These 3D washable antibacterial masks achieve a higher antibacterial rate and a long-term wearing comfort through the combination of an antibacterial face cloth, a non-woven filter layer, and a core inner liner. The outermost layer of the mask is made of our antibacterial netted fiber. It is 99% antibacterial and 138.4 degrees water repellent. In the middle, 2 layers of non-woven fabric are used for PM 2.5 filtration. The bacterial filtration rate is over 95%. The intermask skin-friendly layer is made of cool and moisture-absorbed netted fabric. The water absorption area can be up to 1,288.9 square meters. In addition, even if the mask is washed repeatedly 20 to 30 times, the certification in the data above can still maintain. It is an upgrading version of the cool feeling mask. Wearing the mask for a long time in hot weather can create very salty and uncomfortable feelings. The cool ice mask developed by our company can have the FDA certified refrigerant placed in the middle layer. The special swing design of the mask can contain a perfectly hiding refrigerant and will be visible. Wearing this mental sensory system for a long period of time can reduce the temperature by minus 5.8 degrees. Based on the concept of circular economy, our company has developed the All-Wind and Windcool natural materials. Windcool is a natural oil taken from the cold spring and the Central Mountains. The oil is refined to 1/400 hair thickness through nano-grinding technology, and polymer liquids or moist bits is melted to imitate the long-lasting cool feeling of mineral fiber. In addition to the use of natural materials, Eco-Wind-Dry and Eco-Windcool are remanufactured with environmentally friendly recycled materials. This is one of the key projects of the circular economy. The Eco-Wind-Dry is made from recycled plastic bottle flask combined with patented natural cool synthesis mineral powder. The final product is a polyester fiber. Eco-Windcool is also made from recycled fishing net, CPL, polymer waste, chip, and yarn, and integrated with our patented natural cooling mineral powder and produce the eco-friendly and long-lasting nylon fiber. Both materials have passed the certification of GRS environmentally friendly recyclables. Now I will introduce to you the company's other various functional materials products. First, the Windcool, which is the cooling nylon product introduced to you previously. The dry yarn is as shown in the upper right-hand corner. The natural oil powder will stick to the fiber like moths, and the cooling effect can be maintained even after multiple washes. According to the actual measurement of a thermal image in the lower left-hand corner, it shows that the temperature can be reduced by minus 1.4 degrees after wearing the cloth made by Windcool. The instantaneous cooling sensation value of Qmax on the right can reach 0.14 W/cm through the CNS standard, and with the current technology, the substantial cooling value Qmax can reach 0.2 or higher, and the nylon as the base material can be made by the environmentally friendly recycling materials. Windry is a cool polyester product. The result of a thermal image experiment on the lower left-hand corner shows that under the simulated sunlight, in the first 10 minutes, Windry material has a slow heat absorption effect, and the next 10 minutes simulates indoor cooling, while Windry has a fast heat dissipation effect. The overall result of the experiments can cool down -2 to 3 degrees when compared to the control group. In addition, Windry has a moisture wicking effect. The instantaneous cooling sensation value of Qmax can reach 0.13 W/cm or even higher. The polyester of the base material can be selected from environmentally and friendly recycling materials. When viewed through the dynamic thermal image monitoring, the clothing made by Windcool products is confirmed to be able to keep the body temperature low for a long time. This will achieve a comfortable balance. It has an instantaneous cooling sensation value of 0.24 W/cm Qmax, and the anti-ultraviolet ability can be over 96%. And when compared with cold-dried materials on the market, based on experimental tests and the effort of different test time and materials on the temperature difference, it can be seen that Windcool has a lower heating rate and a higher heat dissipation performance. Next, let's talk about the Windworn thermal storage fiber. Windworn is a heat storage fiber made from a variety of natural minerals, which can convert sunlight and human energy into 4 to 14 amps infrared rays. These rays can then penetrate into the skin and resonate with the far infrared rays in the body to improve human blood circulation and energy, which can promote the body's metabolism and blood circulation, and ultimately the correlativity of warmth and comfort are achieved. Through the actual measurement of thermal image, it also simulated sunlight and indoor cooling. Windworn fibers can effectively store heat and keep warm +2 degrees. The far infrared radiation coefficient of Windworn heat storage and heat preservation fiber is up to 0.9, and the heat preservation effect Windworn fiber fabric is 10% better than that of the general commercial heating fabrics. Energetic healthcare competitive minerals. Energetic healthier composite minerals are composed of highly corrodable and cold materials for visible volcanic ash. The energy health composite mineral has an alkaline negative charge and has an ion absorption exchange characteristic, which can absorb positively charged ions in the human's body. As a result, the body energy is in the optimal balanced state. With the special process energy health composite minerals and their own exchange properties and far infrared radiatively, It has been confirmed that the human blood oxygen content, blood flow rate, and amounts can be increased. In addition, the regulation of human body temperature and the coordination of metabolic systems are optimized. The product includes energetic healthcare salary, master batch, and filament. The Windworn material developed by our company has the characteristic of the lower particle size, gas absorption, and motivation properties. Through the HPHT special homogeneous dispersion process, graphite solar particles, droplets, and bubbles can be reduced to become spendable particles. The products include granular salary, master batch, and the filament. Next, the actual application of above materials will be introduced through the display of final products. There is a corresponding material tag on the left side of each page of PowerPoint, which is convenient for everyone to quickly understand the financial characteristics of each product. Welcome to contact us if you are interested in developing products with similar foundation. First, the environmental protection and the thermal insulation cycling cloth. The fiber is combined with the wind-dry and Windcool materials. Through the double-layer fiber structures, the fabric has the thermal insulation effect, allowing the wearer to enjoy a dry and cool riding experience. Upcycled jacquard is selected naked fibers with in-mold color. Internalize the same cool materials to different widths and the amounts of stretch on. The fibers present different patterns and colors under different tenses. For example, the jacket's depress not only achieves the cooling effect, but also the very fashionable. Environmental friendly cooling ester neck fabric with double layer structure. Due to the requirement of competitive strength and the covering performance, the fabric is made of the cool materials and the high kinetic stretch on. It allows the wearer to feel cool, comfortable, and not stuffed with exercising for a long time, with offering protection. This case is upcycled jacquard fiber with heat radiation and melange. It uses environmentally friendly recycling Windworn heat storage and heat preservation fiber, and interwoven and dyes with ordinary on. So that finished fibers has the effects to heat storage, heat preservation, and twist color jump. It has been functionality and fashion as identities. In this case, all-wind silk pretend arm is interwoven into Windcool arms, so the fabric has an excellent cooling, moisturizing, and anti-static properties. The finished product is specially designed for women's sports underwears and t-shirts, and it feels very silky, smooth, and comfortable. For the bedding, we have developed a high-count fabric that combines the all-wind silk, proteins, and Windcool. This fabric can keep the skin moisturized and can be prevent stunting, energetic. It can also provide the feeling of long-lasting coolness during prolonged contact. The luster effect and feel of the cloth surface are very similar to tensile products. The silk is leisure, silky, and soft, which is very suitable for use in products such as the beddings. The case is in aero-free clothing suits, developed by combining Windcool and wind-dry cold standard materials. The main apply is a long-lasting cooling sensation. The design using the material correlativity of nylon and polyester allows busy office workers to save time and enjoy the convenience while feeling cool and comfortable. In addition, the circular netted technology can be fabricated novel 3D stereoscopic fabric, netting always link fibering and Windcool cooling arms to underlie structures and thermal conditions to achieve heat dissipation and moisture retention effects. Special 3D spencer structure has elastic bearing and moisture transfer functions. The middle layer is light and ventilating, and it can achieve the air permeability, quick dry, water retain, cooling, and comfortable stiffness and durability correlativity. These three fabrics are all Windcool arms plus Windcool 3D spencer fibers. The wet and wet thickness and material ratio of the fabric can be customized to suit different products. In addition, the research and development and functional tester materials. As a supplier of functional tester materials, we also hope to promote high-value products to users. Therefore, through our brand Eki, we tolerate make daily necessary for customers. This is achieved through the perfect combination of foundational materials and textiles. These cooling and light AntiUV sleeves using high-trend Windcool cool fibers. The fabric can receive UV light, the cool, slick, and airflow is achieved through the addition of anti-sweat and anti-slide belt and perfect fingers. Eki cooling and light anti-UV sleeves suitable for daily sun protection and leisure sports for all age. On this page, we provide certification style, colors, and package for your reference. Cooling Magical Hand Scarf. The anti-UV moisture wicking fabric woven from Windcool cool material arms can protect long-term cooling and comfort, moisture wicking, and effective protection against UV rays. The digital transmission mode can be customized. Energetic Magical Hand Scarf. The user of energetic Volcanic Ash material has the characteristic of regulation human body charge and far infrared radiation. It has been verified by experiment that it can effectively increase human blood oxygen content, blood flow, and can regulate human body temperature. It enhances the human body to adjust and optimize the metabolic system so that the body's energies is in the best state of balance. This product is Eki Anti-Ultramagnetic Short Fabric. It automates a special mental pass coding process. The ultramite shielding rates can reach 99.9%. The method of use is to cover the front of the microwave to effectively isolate electronic wave radiation. Product size 44+52, and the color is plaid gray. These are patent certificates and award certificates obtained by Zhanyi company over the years. Take a look at this page. In the future, Zhanyi company will continue to focus on production of high-value functional products, embrace sustainable development as the development orientation, and contribute to the global environment. Thank you for listening.